Welcome to Road Solver tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss how to create the quantity reports, which is called this earthwork design based quantities, how it is get it from the Road Solver. In the Road Solver software, so this earthwork quantity which is coming from the ground levels, then after that it is a top of embankment levels. So if you choose this top of embankment, which is appear here, this is directly calculated from the template method. So just to go to the report and road quantities, the earthwork quantities design. To select that one, this is a input panel which is print out. There is a report type, it is detailed, summary and total. So detailed report, it is with cross section and complete details. Summary report, it is a calculation for the summary, and total report is a total fill, total cut, this one. Okay, now there is a two methods which is we can get it from the method of calculation. One it is 0 point calculation, another is average method. So we can choose whatever we required. So I chose this 0 point method. Then there is a start volume and start page number. Now if you have the station from 0 to 10 kilometer, when you are printing the continuous, if there is a break, so you have to start from the end station. So that total volume you can put it here, it will be continuous again with the page, also with the page number. This is a method for to print out. So now I press the detailed report, I print the PDF. Now this report will be generated. Now this is a detailed report which is showing the graph, and there is a levels and calculations complete. Okay. Now then you can check the summary report. So you can get the summary of this average fill, the fill volume and cumulative fill, then area of the cut volume and cumulative cut. Same like that you can get it this total volume. So I keep that one, it is 800, so it will be fast. So I choose this total. So if you print out the total, so total will be coming. So this is the total quantity of the earthwork, which is total fill and total cut. Okay, now here if you are choosing the three items together, so you can get all together combined with the total 5. Now this total 5, so there is a cover page is a total quantity. Next one it is a summary of the quantities. After that cross sections. So that will be coming in total compressed or total compressed package like that. Okay, thank you. This is a method to calculate the earthwork quantities from Road Solver. Thank you.